Hello everyone. How are you all doing? As we all know that handling kids becomes difficult sometimes. Our lives are busy and we need something that can help us and our kids immediately. This video is for all the parents who find things hard with their children. Here, I will tell you about some DIY hacks and tricks that are for kids. If you are new, subscribe to the channel and share this video with other parents too. Hanging arms. There is a habit of kids that move toward the edge of the bed and hang their arms or legs. It is a sign of danger for you. You cannot keep an eye on the kid all the time while taking a nap. So, you have to make a solution for this problem. You can buy 2 foam tubings from the market. Attach them to your child's bed on both sides using glue or tape. The size will help to make the kid safe and secure from falling on the floor in sleep. Now, you can rest peacefully. Spilling the drink. It is better for you if you get rid of the feeders and make your child a habit to drink milk and juice using the glass. But, there is a possibility that kids can spill the glass without knowing. You can use this hack to make sure the drinkables remain inside the glass. Take a small plastic sheet and attach it to the glass. Put a straw inside the sheet. You can give it to your child. Experiments with Kinder Joy. You can do some experiments with Kinder Joy to make your kids happy. Yes, it is true. Use these hacks and see the magic. Let's see what we have here. Number 1. Toothbrush cover. Children do not hear about anything. You can make an attractive toothbrush cover using the Kinder Joy eggshell. Take the plastic shell and make a hole in it. Make sure that the hole is large enough to put the brush in it vertically. Now, place the brush inside and slide the lower part. Close the Joy shell and see how your kid takes care of it. Number 2. Pencil sharpener. If you are tired of cleaning the mess of a pencil sharpener, you can make a small container for it. Take a sharpener and put double-sided tape on the bottom side. Place it inside the egg. Make a hole in one side of the plastic shell. Make sure the hole is big enough to sharpen a pencil. Now, everything is set for your child. Every day open the egg and throw out the pencil mess in a dustbin. Number 3. Hide small gifts. Kids love small surprises. If you want to do something special for your kid, hide a small present in the Kinder Joy egg and ask him to find it. It will convert into a fun activity and your child will learn the importance of achievements. Number 4. Small sections. If you think that your kid can lose small things essential for your kid's daily routine, you can use this DIY hack. Take a spare lunchbox. Apply some glue inside. Fill it with the Kinder Joy eggs. Open the eggs and place the small stuff in them. Close the shells and pack up the lunchbox. It will help your kid to lose fewer things and learn more about keeping them in order. The foil game. You can play a unique foil game with your kids. All you need is foil paper, a black marker, water, and straws. Take a foil sheet and cut it into a square. Fold all the edges twice. Take a black marker pen and draw spiders on the sheet. Your spiders will consist of a circle and some curvy legs around them. When you splash water on it, the drawing will start moving. Take a straw and blow the air to make the spiders run in a race. Cleaning toys. Many mothers find it difficult to clean or wash their toys. You cannot put the toys directly into the washing machine. Take a washing bag and put all things in it. Seal it using the zip on the top. Now, put the bag inside the machine and wash it. Take out the toys and give them to your kid to play with. Homemade instrument. Make your kid learn different things. You can start with a homemade musical instrument. The best thing is that you can make drums using this DIY trick. The things you will need are 3 tin cans of different sizes, 3 balloons, 2 chopsticks, and 2 bottle corks. Take the 3 tins and attach them using hot glue. Cover the top with 3 different balloons. For this, you have to cut the top of the balloons and then use them. Now, take the chopsticks and push them into rubber corks. The drums and drumsticks are ready. Create it with your kid and enjoy the fun. The medicine hack. Giving medicine to small kids is a hard task to do. They will ask for juices and soda drinks, but they will never take the syrups. While giving them medicine, use this hack at least once. Take a soda can and hide the syrup bottle behind it. Put a straw inside the bottle. Your child will think it is a soda drink. In reality, it will be medicine. The medicine hack part 2. There is another hack to give medicine to the children. Everyone knows a child loves to have a lollipop. So, you can use it to give syrups to your kid. Take the medicine and pour it out into the syrup cup. Dip a lollipop in the syrup and give it to your kid. Wait until your child licks and swallows the syrup. Dip again until the complete portion of medicine completes. Chair lock. If you are alone at home with your small kid and you want to cook, you are like on a soldier's duty. Do you think you need a baby chair? Now, you can lock your kid in the chair using this hack. It means you can make a baby chair at home. Make sure your baby is sitting on the chair. Take a spare shirt and put it on the chair till the end. The neck part of the shirt will help the baby to stay in the right direction. You can easily do your kitchen work. Markers on the plastic. Growing up kids can make a mess with colorful marker pens and crayons. No matter how many books you give them, they will always look for a wall to create art. You can make a plastic home for them easily using this DIY hack. Take a small table. Any table will work for you. Now, you have to take some plastic sheets. Turn the table upside down. Start taping the plastic sheets from one leg of the table to another. Make sure you do it from top to bottom. Leave one side open so you can move your baby inside. Your kid will think of it as a wall and draw only on the plastic sheets. Your walls will remain clean. Apple fries. If your kid loves French fries and never goes to eat the apple, this hack is for you. Take a spare McDonald's fries bag and an apple. Cut the apple into long clean slices. Cut them again by making a thin shape like the fries. Put the apple pieces in the McDonald's bag and give them to your child. Your kid will become happy and you will be at peace for giving fruits to your baby. Opening the fridge hack. When your children start walking, the first route is in the fridge. You are not always in the kitchen to close the door of your fridge. So, you can use this DIY hack. You can buy 2 tiny plastic hangers from the market. Take them and attach them to your fridge. The one with the door and the other with the side. Put a thick rubber band on the hangers. In this way, your kid will never open the fridge. Pool in the shower. If your kid does not like to take a shower, this hack is for you. You can make a small swimming pool inside your bathroom. Take the round plastic tubes and put them inside the bath area. Start pouring water and soap into it. Make a small swimming pool and see how your kid loves to take a bath. It was all for today. I hope you liked the video. Do not forget to tap on the like button and comment below on what kid hacks you follow in real life. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. I will come back with more DIY hacks soon. Till then, enjoy your life and stay blessed.